Hey everybody, it's Kaden, and today we are doing the new Papa game Scooperia, and I'm with my friend Helen. Okay, and I'm Everest, so boom. Oh, I got the wrong thing. Okay, I'm gonna start the game right now, so. I started. Okay, I'll wait for you. Hold on, I gotta wait here. Yes, because of Helen. I thought it was blonde. I haven't seen her person yet, so don't get worried, people. Can I click this already, Helen? Hurry up. Clicking. Okay, clicking, we click this. How do you trash this? I can't trash it. Okay. When do I click this? You said you're on fleek way in the 70s. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. What? Yeah, cookies and ice cream. I'm pretty sure. Oh, you put cookies and ice cream on top. Yeah. It's like all you care about. I put the cookie in the wrong. I put the ice cream in the wrong place. I'm putting the ice cream on top. Why do you put the cone on top? That's weird. It's like an upside down ice cream with a cookie on top. This is weird. Here, Ivy, take your cookie. Oh my god, my. Yay, she gave me a 95. Okay. Really? Oh, that's cute. It's like a little snowman. Okay, skipping training session. Yes. Let's do this. Okay, I'm clicking. What do you want, man? Alberto? Alberto. I can't even say his name right. Yes. Whatever his name is. I want it dipped in peanuts. Dipped in peanuts. Of course, I am. I'm waiting for my cookie. Dun-dun, dun-dun. Epic music. Dun-dun, dun-dun, dun-dun. Yes. Okay, strawberry. Helen. Yes, smack dab on top. No? What are you talking about? I don't get what you're. This is. It's strawberry. Oh, you mean that thing? I don't think that's marble ice cream. It's ice cream, Helen. I don't know what it is. I might be talking too low. His hair looks cool. I like his hair. I finished with Alberto's order. I got $46. I mean $4.60. Cents. I got more than you. Ha. I want to do another rank. This is way too quick for me. I'm a newbie. Continue. I want to play a mini Fashion Flambe. Fashion Flambe. So playing this. Oh my gosh. Why is she wearing that? It's my character. Why does she look so ugly? Okay. What was I wearing? I was wearing these. Was I wearing this? No. I was wearing this. And I was wearing these. Or was I wearing these? Yes. I think I was wearing this. Did you get it correct? Was I? Oh my gosh, I was correct. I'm gonna play again. I'm not playing again. I don't want to waste. Caramel bubblegum? Yes, I did. Best bubblegum in the world. Okay, I'm starting my new rank because I'm starting. Oh, I got dough. You got dough? Really? That's it? Chocolate chip! Yeah! Best ice cream ever. What? I just started. Take order. What? Want some chocolate with chocolate. Why would you want chocolate with chocolate? Get chocolate chip. Chocolate shaving. Oh boy, this guy looks chocolate. I love chocolate. This is my kind of guy. Yes, order all the chocolate that I have. Guys, you know, I like chocolate. Wait, where's my mint chocolate chip? You don't have it? My mint chocolate chip's not showing. No! You're gonna get the order wrong. I'm sorry. I'm waiting for Helen, not because I'm still cooking my cookie. Dun, 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 dun. What is taking this so long? I don't think we'll have enough time. I will meet you back when this cooking is done. Okay, my cookie's done. Cookie. Seriously? Who puts this beaded round thing on top of this? Where am I? Somebody's calling me. Hold up, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry for the delay. Let's try to make this mint ice cream. Helen? No, I don't. Yes? Oh, you can hear me? Okay. Just making sure you can hear me. Okay. So chocolate. Some chocolate. Okay. Shavings. I'll be like a lot of shaving. What is this thing that's on top? Oh. Okay, well, Helen just left. Her mom called her, so it doesn't really matter. We're gonna wait for her and do this while she's gone. Oh my gosh, somebody's calling me. Hold on, Ariana is calling me, so hold on. Sorry guys, I think you're very annoyed, but I brought my friend Ariana. Ariana, say hi. Ariana. Wow. She ditched me. Okay, let's just do this solo. Can you even hear us? Ew, it is marble flavor. That is nasty. Rico, or whatever your name is. Okay, so guys, I've been going solo. And I'm really mad because I have no friends to talk to. But that's okay because we go solo for this round. Oh, wrong station. This is in Korea. I have to wait for this. Okay, sorry for the interruption, people. Sorry.
Sorry, really sorry. Really sorry.
They have marble ice cream for real, Helen. Is it zebra ice cream or something? I don't get this. Is it zebra? Okay. Now we got put chocolate. So much chocolate. Got that chocolate. Now, after this, oh, peanuts. Sprinkle peanuts on top. A cone.
Check. I did erase them on the same cake. Does this go in here and this go in
Money!
here?
I got $2. I got 70 from a Is this a closer?
Closer! That is so cool. So, Kaden, I'm just gonna tell you. So for the closer, he wants you to put all 3 cookies on the same plate.
What? That doesn't make any sense, Helen.
That's so cool. It allows you to do it. It's cool. It's so cool.
Pretty sure it's not that cool.
It's
Okay,
really
guys,
cool.
I'll finish up this order in this rank, so bye. And today I finished my video, so hope you subscribe, comment, and click the notification. Bye, everyone!